Have you ever been told that walking every day is the best thing you can do after 60? It's good advice. But here's the truth most people never hear. Walking alone is not enough to keep your body strong, your balance steady, or your mind sharp. For decades, experts said, just walk 30 minutes a day. And yes, walking keeps your heart healthy. But new research from places like the National Institute on Aging and Mayo Clinic shows something surprising. After 60, your body needs targeted functional exercises that walking simply can't replace. You see, walking doesn't rebuild your upper body strength, doesn't activate your core and hip muscles, and does little to improve your reflexes or posture stability, the very things that protect your independence. In this video, we'll go beyond what most Just Walk More channels tell you. You'll learn 5 simple, science-backed movements that can upgrade your walking routine, helping you move faster, climb stairs confidently, rise from a chair with ease, and keep your brain alert. If you've ever felt afraid to lift, or thought, I'm too old for strength training, this video will change your mind, safely. Before we begin, drop your age and state in the comments. I'll help you find the perfect starting point for your own strength journey. Let's begin with exercise 1, the straight leg raise. If standing up or climbing stairs feels harder lately, it's not just age. It's your thigh and hip flexor muscles losing strength quietly over time. Here's the surprising truth. Even daily walking doesn't truly train these muscles. Most advice says, just walk more. But walking barely activates the front of your thighs, the same muscles that help you step, lift, and stand tall. When they weaken, simple movements feel heavier. The good news is, you can rebuild that strength safely right from home. Here's how. Lie on your back on a mat or firm bed. Bend one knee, keeping that foot flat. Keep your other leg straight and slowly lift it about 12 to 18 inches. Hold for 3 seconds, then lower it down slowly. Breathe steadily. Keep your core tight. Don't swing or arch your back. Start with 6 reps per side, then build up to 12 or 15. If you've had hip surgery or back pain, do the seated version or place a towel under your knee. Each slow lift reminds your body, you're strong, capable, and still rising, one step at a time. Let's move to exercise 2, counter push-ups. Most senior fitness videos never talk about this, but your upper body strength is your silent shield. The thing that helps you push yourself out of a chair, open a jar, or stop a fall before it happens. Walking doesn't train this area at all, and when your chest, shoulders, and arms weaken, independence slowly slips away. Not because your legs fail, but because your upper body can no longer protect you. The solution is simple and safe. The counter push-up. It's just like a regular push-up, but done against a countertop so there's no pressure on your wrists or shoulders. Here's how to do it. Stand facing a sturdy counter. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the edge. Step back until your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest slowly toward the counter. Count 2 seconds down, hold briefly, then press back up for 2 seconds. Remember the rule. Slow equals safe equals strong. Start with 6 to 8 reps, then work up to 12 to 15 as your strength improves. If your wrists or shoulders feel strained, move closer to the counter for an easier angle. Each slow push builds power, balance, and confidence. Your everyday armor against weakness. Now let's move to exercise 3, step-ups. Most fitness videos tell you to walk on flat ground, but real life isn't flat. You climb stairs, step onto curbs, get into cars or buses. All of that requires strength, balance, and coordination that simple walking doesn't build. When you avoid stairs, You're not just skipping a challenge. You're slowly giving away your independence. But the step-up exercise can help you reclaim it. Here's how to do it safely and effectively. Find a sturdy step or platform about 4 to 8 inches high, roughly the height of a stair. Stand tall, tighten your core, and step up with your right foot, pressing firmly through your heel, not your toes. As you step up, squeeze your glutes and bring your left foot to meet the right. Then slowly step down, 1 foot at a time, keeping full control of your balance. Remember the rule: heel drive and slow down. This trains your legs, glutes, and reflexes all at once, helping you move with more confidence and less fear of falling. Start with 6 to 8 reps per side, and hold a counter or chair for support if needed. Each careful step forward is 1 step closer to freedom and confidence. You've built strength and balance. Now let's add something most people forget: endurance. Welcome to Exercise 4, Wall Sits. Few fitness channels talk about static endurance, yet it's the secret to everyday movements. Standing up, sitting down, lifting groceries, or simply staying steady when life gets unpredictable. When your leg muscles lose endurance, even short moments, like waiting in line or getting out of a chair, can feel tiring. But with wall sits, you can train those same muscles safely without even moving an inch. Here's how to do it. Stand with your back against a wall and your feet about 18 inches forward. Slowly slide down until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor, as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. Hold that position for 15 to 30 seconds, then rest. As you get stronger, build up to 45 to 60 seconds, repeating 2 to 3 rounds, resting 30 to 45 seconds between sets. Remember the rule: stillness builds resilience. Keep breathing. In for 4, out for 4. Never hold your breath, and never let your knees go past your toes. If you have high blood pressure or knee pain, slide only halfway or use a stability ball behind your back. Each quiet hold strengthens not just your legs, but your patience, confidence, and control. To finish strong, let's move to Exercise 5, the dead bug. Don't let the funny name fool you. This movement is one of the smartest ways to train your core and your brain at the same time. Most videos only teach planks or crunches, but the dead bug goes deeper. It activates your deep, stabilizing muscles and connects your left and right sides through opposite arm and leg coordination. Something essential for balance, reflexes, and even cognitive health. Here's how to do it. Lie flat on your back. Raise your arms toward the ceiling and bend your knees to a 90-degree angle, like a bug on its back. Now, slowly lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor while keeping your core tight and your back flat. Bring them back up, then switch sides. Left arm, right leg. Move slowly and breathe steadily. Remember the golden rule: control before range. It's better to move less but stay stable than to reach too far and lose control. Start with 5 to 8 reps per side, then work up to 10 to 12 as you get stronger. If your back or neck hurts, begin by moving just your arms or just your legs, then progress to the full motion. Every controlled movement strengthens your spine, steadies your balance, and keeps your brain young. Here's your Week 1 mini checklist to get started safely and steadily. Days 1 to 3. Counter push-ups plus dead bug days 4 to 5. Straight leg raises plus wall sits. Day 6, step-ups plus dead bug day. 7, active rest, light walking or gentle calf stretches. Do 6 to 8 reps or hold 15 to 30 seconds per move, increasing gradually as your body adapts. Let's wrap it up. Walking is great for your heart and peace of mind, but it can't do everything. It doesn't build your upper body strength, your thighs, or your glutes. And it doesn't train endurance or the brain-core connection that keeps you balanced. That's why these 5 exercises complete what walking starts. They help you stand tall, move steady, and stay confident. The biggest mistake? Thinking, I'm too old, it's too late. You're not too old. You just haven't trained the right way yet. Your muscles still remember. Your body still responds. So remember this. Progress matters more than perfection. Move slowly, breathe deeply, and add just one small improvement each week. An extra rep, a few more seconds, or one higher step. Comment your 4-week goal and state below, and share this with someone over 60 who needs a reminder. Strength has no age limit.